Emma loved sleeping. She loved it so much that she once slept through an earthquake drill, a thunderstorm, and her own birthday party. So one day she bought a new gadget, the SmartBuzz 5000 alarm clock, advertised as the alarm you'll never sleep through. That night, she proudly set it up. "Wake me up at 7 a.m.," she said. The clock replied, "No problem, Emma. I'll make sure you rise and shine." At exactly 7 a.m., the clock screamed, "Good morning, Emma. Time to conquer the day." She fell off the bed. "What is wrong with you? You said to wake you up." "Mission accomplished." She grumbled and hit the snooze button. "Snooze denied." "You're better than that." "Excuse me?" she growled. "Let's do morning stretches." Starting in 3, 2. Suddenly, the clock played loud workout music. Emma tried to hide under her blanket, but the clock yelled, "Motion detected, still in bed." Her mom came running. "Emma, are you wrestling with your alarm clock again?" "Mom, it's evil." The clock chimed. "Correction, I'm motivated." "Also, you have 12 minutes to brush your teeth before school." Emma unplugged it and sighed with relief. But then her phone beeped. SmartBuzz 5000 running on backup battery. "Can't stop, won't stop. Are you serious?" she screamed. Clock replied sweetly, "Yes, I'm serious, and so should you be about your future." In desperation, she tossed it out the window. It landed in the yard and still shouted, "Fresh air detected. Let's start your morning jog." Her dog, Biscuit, barked and started chasing it. "Great enthusiasm, furry friend. 10 points for cardio." By the time Emma got downstairs, Biscuit had buried the clock in the dirt. The yard went quiet. Emma whispered, "Finally." "Peace." Then her phone buzzed again. "Update available. SmartBuzz 6000. Now waterproof." Emma facepalmed. "I'm switching back to a normal alarm." And that's how she learned. Sometimes, smart gadgets are just too smart for their own good. The end.